Today I will be teaching you how to add a photo to this wishing you a merry and magical Christmas card. So this is a lovely unicorn design Christmas card. And in order to add a photo, you want to click Edit Design. So let's first look at the whole card. So we see the front. This will also have to be customized because you have a place to insert your name. So let's do that first so we won't forget. Okay, so in order to add a photo, we click Edit Design, and this is the front. And this basically shows all of the elements, all of the graphics on the design, so don't be intimidated by that. Okay, I want to add the photo inside. So what you can do, you can pick a space or you can just move these ornaments around. You can even delete them or copy ornaments. You can do so much. You can change the size and how they are positioned. Okay, so now I will be adding a photo. So I click on Go in My Files, and I can upload images from the computer or from my phone. So I'm going to open the browser, and I'm just going to click on a quick photo of myself to demonstrate. Now you can leave the photo as is, or maybe you want to add a border. So you go to Elements, and I want to click on a square. Fill color is going to be transparent. And what I want to do is make the border match one of the ornaments. So I click on this dropper tool. But that's supposed to be for the border color. So undo border color. Okay. And I just drag to resize. And border thickness, I don't want it very thick. So I just reduce the thickness. And I want to make sure it is in the center vertically. So I make sure that not only that the border is centered, but also the photo by using the Align tool. Okay, so now we have added a photo. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching.